worse than you thought.
Well, what kind of crowd? He's not doing drugs, is he?
No, no. He's going to church.
Church.
Church? Yeah, I talked to the, head holy guy. And, he said that DJ's been there, like, every day.
Oh, God, no.
Damn, now church is good. We support church. Could be a good influence on him.
Yeah, I mean, maybe he'll take after your cousin Jessica. Isn't he the one who, sent us the Bible with every single word highlighted?
Oh, that's his cousin Jim. His cousin Jessica is the Elvis impersonating preacher that clog dances when he's filled with the Holy Spirit.
Oh, God, Roseanne, you know I'm not good with religion.
Well, you better get good with it, Dan, because we don't want DJ thinking we don't approve.
Well, it's not that. It just gives me the willies. You know my family. They follow Pat Robertson around like he's the Grateful Dead.